Hi everyone. Okay, so today this is just a quick short video. We're talking about this roll of profit worksheet. And so just to kind of give you an overview, this is a profit and loss statement. So a profit and loss or an income statement is an essential financial document that provides a comprehensive overview of a company's revenues, costs, and expenses, helping to illustrate the company's financial performance and profitability over a specific period. It serves as a critical tool in decision-making, enabling businesses and potential investors to identify areas of strength and weaknesses, manage costs, plan for the future, and assess overall financial health. So we have this profit and loss statement for this business, Lemonade Crafters. So here's part of it here, here's part of it here. There are some questions on this worksheet. I'm going to go through question number 3 here with you. Okay, so it says look at the cost of goods sold, the COGS. Okay, so that's over here, cost of goods sold, COGS, total COGS. This is what we're looking for. And the operating expenses in the P&L statement. So operating expenses. So here's operating expenses. Operating expenses, here's what we're looking at. All right, so calculate their proportion to net sales revenue by dividing each cost by the net sales revenue. So net sales revenue right here. And multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. All right, so I am going to use this paper here as my worksheet. So it says we take the cost of goods sold. So our cost of goods sold is $150,000, right? And that says calculate the proportion by dividing each cost. Actually, let's write this other cost in here too. So we've got 150 as the COGS, and we've got the operating expenses. Okay, op expenses. And the operating expenses is $180,000. Okay, so then it says to divide each cost by the net sales revenue. So net sales revenue, $490. So $150,000 divided by $490,000. We're going to do that in both cases, $490. Okay, so I am going to pull up my calculator right there. So we've got, let's start 150, divided by 490. That equals that, but now it says to multiply by 100 to get a percentage. So times 100 equals, so 30.61%. All right, let's do the other one, the operating expenses. In this case, it is 180 divided by 490. And that equals this, and then times 100 to get our percentage. And we get 36.73%. All right, that is how you figure out the proportion to net sales, the percentage of your COGS and your expenses compared to your net sales revenue. And this is a formula that you do a lot when it comes to evaluating P&Ls like this. So quick overview. So now from there, you guys can do the rest of the problems on this page.